Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to backup your phone contacts to Gmail from a Samsung mobile phone. Follow these easy and step-by-step guide to easily backup all of your phone contacts to Gmail. First of all, go ahead and launch your contacts phone. And once you are in your contacts app, here tap on this hamburger menu and tap on manage contacts. Tap on export contacts. So first of all, we will export all of our contacts to our internal storage, and then we will upload the exported contact file in our Google Drive or Google Contacts. So here export to, tap on internal storage, export. Once it's exported, tap on OK, and now go to your file manager app and go to downloads folder, and here you will see this contacts.vca file. So this is your contacts exported file. Now open a browser on your phone. So I'm opening Google Chrome browser and just search for google.com, and now tap on this widget icon, and here you will find contacts. Just tap on that, and here select stay on web. And now it's time to upload our exported files here. To do that, tap on this menu icon and tap on import. Select file, media picker, and here you should see the exported VCF file. Just select the contacts.vcf file and tap on import. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully imported all of my Samsung mobile contacts to my Gmail. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.